If you are tired of all the get-rich-quick gimmicks online and you just want a real way to make a legitimate side income or even replace your full-time income, that's where this new business model comes in, called the AI Automation Agency. Now, what exactly is an AI Automation Agency? Well, it's very simple. Instead of a traditional marketing agency where you're selling your time by the hour and you're building custom websites and complicated ad campaigns, which that business model is very hard to scale, by the way, without hiring a bunch of people, we offer pre-built AI-powered systems that solve core business problems that owners already understand and they need help with today. Things like generating more leads and automatic follow-ups and getting more Google reviews and booking more appointments, even answering the phone with voice AI. This business is called SaaS, Software as a Service. But for the first time ever, you don't actually have to build the software. Everything is already built and it runs on a single platform called Go High Level. We just plug in these systems for our clients, customize the details that are specific for their business, and we get paid every month on the subscription while this system runs on autopilot. It's simple, it's high value, it's scalable, and most importantly, it's in massive demand. You always want to sell ice water to a thirsty crowd. Now, I promised you real-world numbers, so here's the deal. Most people charge an initial setup fee of between $1,500 to $2,500 up front, and then a monthly recurring service fee between $297 and $997 per month per customer, depending on what you set them up with. Now, don't worry, everything you need for the automatic billing is already in the software. The idea here is you don't need thousands of customers to make serious money with AI. Let's assume you're just going to do this on the side. If over the next year you got 10 businesses set up, that could easily be $20,000 in setup revenue and $3,000 to $10,000 a month recurring. You could literally be at $140,000 in 1 year with only 10 customers. These are real world numbers, and 120 of that would be recurring going into year 2, right? Assume for some fall off, not everybody stays subscribed for forever, but you do it for 3 years and you get the idea. Now I know you're thinking, okay, Jared, that all sounds great, but how do I get these customers? Well, this is arguably the best part. High Level has put together a free, live, and self-paced training program that you can use where they train you on the exact same AI-powered software that you're selling to customers. They teach you how to use that to get your own customers, right? That makes sense. You're selling AI-powered systems to businesses to get customers. Why wouldn't you use that same technology for yourself? So here's what High Level gives you absolutely free to do all this. For the tools side of the house, you get unlimited access to the platform. So all the AI systems we talked about and everything you need to actually run the business. That's websites, prospecting tools, client onboarding snapshots, literally everything you could possibly need. On the training side of things, you get 5 days of live training, Monday through Friday, covering everything you need to build the entire business top to bottom. By the end of the week, you're up and running. Don't worry if you're busy. There's a self-paced version of the same training, and the lives are all recorded, so you're not going to miss anything. On the community and support side of things, you get 30 days access to a private Facebook group run by High Level's team that has all the people that are doing the 5-day training. It's just for the 5-day training folks, and everyone's in there sharing their wins and their strategies and whatnot, so you're not remotely alone getting started. On the ongoing support side, and this is forever, 24/7 live chat, phone, and Zoom support. You can even jump in the regular High Level Facebook group that has over 100,000 members, and the founders themselves are in there every day helping people. Show me another software company that helps their customers like this, you're not going to find it. And that takes us directly to the last piece, and that is, Jared, I wasn't born yesterday. I know nothing is free forever, so how much does all this actually cost? Well, the training truly is free, and there's never a charge for that. The way it's structured, the goal is for you to get your first customer within 30 days, ideally during the training period. So there's actually no cost for you whatsoever. When you first sign up, there's a 30-day free trial for access to the software, which you'll use during the training, and ideally onboard your first customer. You can go through everything, and if you decide it's not for you, you can cancel right online and not pay a cent. After 30 days, you'll be charged the $97 a month for unlimited access to everything. Look, it's not very often things like AI come around where the entire world shifts and the average person can actually benefit by providing real value to the market. The demand for AI right now is insane, but unfortunately, like anything else, high demand won't last forever. High Level has provided everything needed to take full advantage of this, and with an entry price of literally $0, you probably know at least one person that owns a business. You could tell them you started an AI company and you could get them signed up tomorrow. Links down below. Share with your friends. I hope to see you in the groups. Later.